Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Here in this video, I will give you very interesting puzzle solutions. Can any one of you solve this math puzzle in a few seconds? Okay, now without wasting any time, I'm starting my puzzle 1. Here my puzzle 1 is, let's check 6 plus 3. Here my parenthesis start, minus 9 plus 4, parenthesis close, minus 5 square. Can any one of you solve this math puzzle in a few seconds? Here I will give you a 1 minute to solve this puzzle. Then I will give you live proof of this puzzle. Okay, great. If you have solved this puzzle, then answer in the comment section. Okay, let's solve this puzzle. Here I will solve my bracket first as according to BODMAS rule. As we all know that what is BODMAS rule. Here I am writing in front of you BODMAS. Here we will solve our bracket first, then I will do division, multiplication, addition and then subtraction. Simply solve our brackets first. Here we have, let's check, plus 3. As we all know that here we have two signs, minus and plus. When we have two signs, minus and plus, then we have to subtract these two both numbers or apply the sign of greater number. Here greater number is 9. So simply subtract these both numbers. 9 minus 4 equals 5. And greater sign here is minus. So apply this minus. As we all know that 5 square equals 25. Because when we multiply 5 with 5, yani same numbers. So answer is 25. 6. Now we will multiply these two both numbers, plus minus minus. 3 times 5 equals 15 minus 25. Now I have three signs here, plus again minus and again यहाँ पर minus है. Okay, let's check. We have three signs, plus minus again minus here. So I will do these two numbers first, then the answer with the third number. 6 minus 15 equals 9. Greater sign here minus. Now what is left now? Minus 25. So when we have two minus signs, we have to add these two both numbers and apply minus sign here. 25 plus 9 equals 34. Here we have minus. So answer of very interesting math puzzle here is minus 34. I hope you enjoyed the solution. Now shifting to my next puzzle without wasting any time. Here my next puzzle is, let's check my next puzzle. 2 plus 8 bracket close multiply 5 minus 2 bracket close. Now what should we do in this puzzle? Can you also answer this puzzle in a few seconds? Okay, if you have solved this puzzle, then answer in the comment section. Now I am giving you a live proof of this puzzle. Here we have two brackets, 2 plus 8 within bracket, 5 minus 2 within brackets. I will do these brackets first. At a time, 8 plus 2 equals 10. Multiply sign as it is. 5 minus 2 here is 3. Now I will do simply my multiplication. As we all know that 10 times 3 equals 30. So answer of very interesting math puzzle here is 30. If your answer is also 30, then answer in the comment section. Okay, now shifting to my next puzzle, my puzzle 3. Here we have 9 multiply 2 minus 6 divided by 3. Here we have three operations, multiply, divide and subtraction. What should we do first? Okay, if you have solved this puzzle, then answer in the comment section. Now I am giving you live proof of this puzzle. Here we will multiply these two numbers or we will divide these two numbers and subtract the both results. Here we have 9 times 2 equals 18 minus 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Simple subtraction here. 18 minus 2 equals 16. So answer of very interesting math puzzle here is 16. Now shifting to my next puzzle. In some places we write division sign as like this, ratio sign, or like this. This is a universal sign which I am using here. So next puzzle is 100 plus 30 divided by 2 minus 5. What should we do first? Here we have addition, division and subtraction. Now according to BODMAS rule, we have to divide first, then addition, then subtraction. We can also use left to right rule here to solve this puzzle. Okay, if you have solved this puzzle, then answer in the comment section. Now, let's solve this puzzle. I am giving you a live proof of this puzzle. 100 plus, as we all know that 30 divided by 2 is 15. Why 15? Because when we multiply 2 with 15, the answer is 30. That's why 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15 minus 5. Now I have two signs, just 100 and 15. Simply add these two numbers, 100 and 15, it will become 115 minus 5 as it is. 115 minus 5 is always equals to 110. If your answer is also 110, then please like the video. Okay, great. Without wasting any time, shifting to my next puzzle. Here we have 180 minus 36 divided by 6 multiply 5 minus 3. Isn't very easy and interesting puzzle? I hope you are enjoying the puzzle solutions and these puzzles too. Okay, let's solve this puzzle. Here we have brackets first. I will do my brackets first. Here we have 180 minus 36 divided by 6. Simply subtract these two numbers. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Now what should we do first? Here we have division, then multiplication by according to left to right rule. As we all know that what is left to right rule, I am writing in front of you. Left to right rule. Which sign, division or multiplication, which is first, I will do this. Which is in left side, I will do this. If division in left side, then I will do division first. If multiplication is in left side, then I will do my multiplication. I hope you are understanding. If it becomes difficult, then I will repeat it. I hope it will not become difficult. Now shifting to my next step. Here my next step is 180 minus 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Why it equals 6? As we all know that when we multiply this 6 by 6, it will become 36. That's why the answer of 36 divided by 6 is 6. Now simply multiplication left. Now we have two operations here, subtraction and multiplication. I will do my multiplication here. 180 minus 6 times 2 equals 12. So what should be the answer here? I will do subtraction for you in front of you. 180 minus 12. As we all know that we cannot subtract 2 from 0. So we have to take a carry from the next number, which is 7. So it will become 10. Now we can easily subtract these two numbers. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 7 minus 1 equals 6. So answer of very interesting math puzzle here is 168. I hope you enjoyed this puzzle solution. This is very demanding for me, that I will provide the puzzle solution for you. Okay, now shifting to my next puzzle. You are noticing I am giving daily doses of math puzzles in my live streams. So this is the puzzle solution for these puzzles. 20 minus bracket start 10 divided by 5 bracket close multiply again bracket 14 divided by 7 bracket close. So what should we do in this puzzle? Very interesting and easy puzzle. Okay, we will do our brackets first. 20 minus, when we divide 10 by 5, it will become 2, because when we multiply 5 times 2, it will become 10. Multiply 14 divided by 7 is also equals to 2, because when we multiply 7 by 2, it will become 14. Simply multiply these two numbers. 20 minus 2 multiply 2 equals 4. What should be the answer? 20 minus 4. I am doing my subtraction in front of you. 20 minus 4. As we all know that we cannot subtract 4 from 0. So we have to take a carry from the next number, which is 2. It will become 1. Now it is 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6. And this is left. So answer of very interesting math puzzle here is 16. I hope you are enjoying the puzzle solution. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like the puzzle solution, please like my video and share it with your friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now take care of yourself, stay connected and keep watching GeoMaths 26. Allah Hafiz.